All right, hello Cruising World, Mick the Suit Guy with you. Short video today, and it actually applies to my little darling cat Portman here. So I'm going to talk to you today about some ideas and thoughts that you can do if you have somebody watching the house. How do they get a hold of you if something happens to one of your precious little munch kitty catties, like this one here? So just a few thoughts and ideas. Number one, make sure that whoever is watching the house, if they can, has like an app like WhatsApp, and you have WhatsApp and they have your number on WhatsApp, then they can contact you at any time. You can also contact each other through things like Facebook Messenger, etc., etc. But what happens if you don't have those, or you don't trust those, or they're not working? What's a way around all of this without, them being able to contact you directly? Because if you call the ship number or you call them out, it's like $9 a minute or something stupid like that. Yes, we're trying to save your life here. So, whatever. Well, not, because something will have happened to you. You'll probably be dead. So you just died, and we're going to tell the people how to get in touch with the person that owns you to let you know what happened. So we're going to tell them how to get a hold of Julie and let her know that you're dead. How does that make you feel? Dad of the year. This is why I have no kids. Anyways, so here's what we do, right? Write out on a piece of paper the following information. I'm going to put it up for you right now. God, come here. Write down the cruise date, the ship name, your cabin number, the emergency contact number for that cruise line, which I'll get to in a second. And I would recommend putting down your itinerary. The reason I would say that's not as important as the rest of the information, but I would say it's important because if you're in, say, Thailand and somebody's in America, how do they get a hold of you? Sorry, what I mean is they'll know what time it is and maybe don't call you at 2 a.m. So that's the only reason I put the itinerary down. And now, how do you get that emergency contact number? Well, funny you should ask, because here they are. So I've got them all listed here from the various cruise lines. You'll notice at the top we have 4. We have Carnival, Celebrity, Norwegian and Royal, because they have dedicated emergency contact numbers. Carnival has 2, but underneath you'll notice I put in the blue I've got MSC and Virgin. They do not have a dedicated emergency contact number. They just have a regular customer service number, so that's what you would have to call, which is why they're at the bottom. So hairy cat. So basically you would just call one of those numbers, give them the information that you have and the message you want to pass on, and they would take care of that for you. They'll contact the ship and they'll let your friend or relative or whoever it is know that I'm not going to say it again. Now here's another thing that we do. If the cat is sick, right? The person watching it may not want to go into the vet and pay the money to get it fixed, and the vet won't do it unless you pay them up front. So we always leave a letter, and it will say to whom it may concern, and put your name, and I authorize whoever it is watching the house to bring this cat in and use our credit card. And oh, such a lovely little cat you are. I will be sad when she goes, but she's old. She's like 17. The other one's like 18 or something like that. But this one still runs around like she's really young. But if this one is sick, we'll leave that note, and I'll put a max on there. I won't say whatever amount you want. We'll say like $2,000 max or whatever. They're pretty ruthless. So if it's going to cost $2,000 or less, you'll be okay. If not, I don't know what's going to happen to you. But that's and we'll leave a credit card. It's always such a lovely little angle she leaves for the video. So yeah, it's funny you should walk in on this one, because it's all about your health and safety. Yeah. So to summarize, we would first of all remember those emergency numbers for each line. Make sure you have that, but leave that on the letter that you're doing. Very important, because otherwise how is anybody going to know? Ship date, ship name, cabin number, very important to help. Well, it's not, they could find it, but it will help a great deal if you have that number, and then the itinerary if you have it, so you know where they are. But on top of that, if the cat gets ill or the dog gets ill or whatever animal it is gets ill, leave that letter with a credit card and a note explaining that this person is authorized to act on my behalf, And I would recommend a limit. I only say this because the last cats we have, it was a long time ago now, same thing happened. We took them in, ended up costing me over $30,000. I'm not doing that again. I love you, but not $30,000 worth. Yes. Do you think if cats have any idea what you're saying? I don't think they do, because she just wants to be scratched. And this is a very itchy point here. So yeah, so basically I could have just saved your life or not, depending on how bad the illness was. Oh, I'm going to... Oh, I am so going to hell. I am so going to hell. Am I not, Portman? Yeah, this is a good one. All right. So I hope that helped. It was a bit all over the place. Subscribe. She doesn't come on every time. This one's called Portman, named after my football team's ground. Football, not soccer, just so you know. You want to walk out? You want to go on the edge? Do you want to go out to the edge? Sometimes she does. I've got to undo this because it's a weird angle. You want to go out? No, you're just going to sit there. All right, we're going to... Yeah. She wants to walk around. That's what she wants to do. We walk around the house like this. Nope, getting down. All right. Yeah, so subscribe if you want, and she's gone. She knows I'm not talking about her anymore. But she left me cat hair everywhere. So subscribe. I think I covered everything. I may have forgotten completely loads of things. But, yeah. Emergency cover. That's what I'm saying. Remember those numbers. I forgot to add one thing. There were some international numbers under those cruise lines, but I don't trust them. One number for the rest of the world, I don't buy it. I don't buy that you could call that number from Australia and England. So if you are doing this internationally, I would probably contact the cruise line in advance and ask them what number you should call. Too many countries for me to cover. Subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when these wonderful videos come out. We try and make these videos just to help you. You won't see clickbait on these. We're not desperate to get people to watch. If you want to watch, you want to watch. I'd rather more people watched. But we don't do clickbait. And clickbait's what gets numbers. It's a conundrum, isn't it? You know, I once had somebody trying to help me improve my channel, and I said, there's one thing I won't do, and that's clickbait. And all he did was say, if you don't do clickbait, you're not going to be successful with this channel. I go, then I'm not going to be successful, because I will not do clickbait. However, I have a small but mighty following. I like to look at it that way. So if you like this video, subscribe, hit that bell. If you have any questions, please email me afterwards. I know a lot, and I don't know everything by any means. And if I don't know the answer, I usually know somebody that does. So I will do all I can to find you the answer to your question. If you have suggestions of videos I should do in the future, please email me your thoughts and ideas. And if you want to send me your tips, every Monday I do a tips video. If you've been on a cruise recently, send me what you liked and what you didn't like about that cruise. And I will record that in an episode. I do not read them in advance. I read them live and react. And I use my wonderful British sense of humor to cover that. God, I waffle at the end of these videos. I guarantee people know this. And about halfway through, like, hey, he's going to start waffling in a minute. I'm going to turn off. But yeah, so that was Portman. The other one you'll never see. She's a cat. She can go. I don't care about that one. Ruthless, but true. That one I care about. The other one sits around, does nothing all day, that eats. You walk past, demands attention. And if you don't do it, keeps doing it and wakes me up at 4 a.m. Outdone her usage. That one's called Stella. I drink Red Stripe now. Next cats we get, I'm going to call one Red Stripe. With that, I am so going to hell. Sorry, cat lovers. Just being honest. And now there's cat hair in my mouth. It floated up. Look at this. I will see you later, Cruising World. God. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.